Today we are exploring Biscayne National Park.
It's mostly water, so the only way you can really explore it is by boat and snorkeling and scuba diving. So that's what we're going to be doing today. It's a lot of coral reefs and mangrove areas.
Yeah, and beautiful fish and wildlife. So we are doing the snorkel tour. We're super excited. A little bit of a bummer is the weather is not looking very good, even though it's kind of sunny right now. Apparently the water's super rough, and they said that most likely we will not be able to actually get to the coral reef. So we'll be snorkeling on a different side, closer to the mangroves, like in the bay, I guess is how you describe it. So if the water's rough, that usually affects visibility. So we're not sure how much we're gonna see, but hopefully it's still beautiful, and I'm sure we're gonna have an amazing time.
I'm sure too.
We booked a snorkel tour with Biscayne National Park Institute, which is the main tour operator inside the national park. They do offer half-day and full-day tour options, but we ended up booking a private tour due to our trip scheduling, and it was awesome. After getting a quick briefing, we boarded the boat. Our guide took us to 2 different snorkel spots. As we already mentioned, the high winds were causing the water to be too rough to go outside of the bay to the main reef system, so we went to the mangrove area instead. It was about a 45-minute boat ride from the visitor to our first snorkel spot.
First snorkel spot, mangrove trees, and we're gonna go find some sea life.
We already saw a sea turtle over the side of the boat, so hopefully he's still hanging out when we go underwater.
Snorkel works. There's nothing graceful about this.
There's nothing more humbling than putting on snorkel gear. Ready?
So.
How is it?
Great.
I'm nervous. Ready? Go. Off we go to our next spot.
Hopefully we get to see more stuff.
Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
at our second spot and we have seen so many fish.
Lots of fish.
Even more fish than we saw last time.
Yeah.
We've seen, I don't know any of the types except for a baby barracuda, the one that has the needle nose fish. We saw tons of jellyfish on like the bottom of the floor.
Yep.
And then some swimming.
And a lot of other fish.
Lots of little ones. What'd you say?
A
Sorry.
lot of other fish we don't know the name to.
Yes, exactly. Oh, and we saw a lobster.
We did see a lobster.
And yeah, tons of other fish. We have no idea the names. But this spot has been so cool. How was it? What'd you think?
Awesome. Got to see a ton of fish and saw a lobster. That was pretty sweet.
Yeah, we saw some awesome stuff. It's crazy because it doesn't look like there'd be much just looking at it from right here, but there was so much stuff. It was so awesome. Highly recommend.
If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to stay up to date on all the latest national park adventures.